Hi, my name is Ruth Donnelly from Coachwood Nursery in Somersby, New South Wales, Australia. This really interesting plant here is called grantii. It has a fleck on the leaf which is like a burgundy red fleck, and what happens is that sometimes you can get a leaf shape and colour that is identical except for that it's full burgundy red. It's an excellent indoor plant. This plant is quite useful as an indoor plant in a fairly well lit position. You don't want to put it in too dark a position. It's not very common, it's quite rare, but it's a fantastic addition to your collection of indoor plants. So it's going to get no taller. This is about its mature height, maybe just a little bit taller. It self-branches. You could trim it to force the side branches out, but this plant does self-branch. You don't need to do much to it. It is tough as nails and it lasts for many years inside. So you just treat it exactly like your average succulent indoors, but enjoy the gorgeous foliage, which is just going to put a different colour perspective and accent and contrast to your existing range of indoor plants. So have a think about grantii and see if you can locate one, or you're welcome to come and get some at our nursery. We're only 1 hour north of Sydney and we're free entry to our open days, and we have some of these for sale. Thank you.